Hello?
Yeah, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Good morning to everyone. Right. Now,
I gotta quit.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. And I will also ask you to keep your devices on mute till your names are called. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
The first meeting the game is tonight. Football is back.
all right, everybody's got to mute the devices, please, until I call your name.
And Judge, could you co-host me, please? When you get an opportunity.
I have, good morning, everyone. We have an overwhelming amount of people this morning. So I know the people that are going to be called first are going to be happy, but the people that are going to get called last or close to last are not going to be so happy, but we're going to try to get this in and out as fast as we possibly can. And with that being said, yes, please. City of Detroit, are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Sheree, Griffin, Cheney, case number SP 17194-821. Ms. Griffin, Cheney, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Unmute yourself now. Ms. Griffin, Cheney, good morning. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Sheree, Griffin, Cheney.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a review. You've paid your obligation, ma'am. I'm going to dismiss your case. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Keirstyne. Give me the correct pronunciation again. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's Keirstyne Gervais.
This is the City of Detroit versus Keirstyne Marie Gervais. State of Michigan versus Keirstyne Marie Gervais. SX 455-226541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Mandel on behalf of the defendant. We have worked out an agreement with the officer. We'd ask that you adopt the agreement between the officer and my client, and we're prepared to plead the same.
And what is that agreement?
The original ticket would be dismissed in exchange for a plea to impaired. Oh my God, did I say impaired? Oh my. Impeding, Judge. Too many drunk drivings this week.
That's a big difference. Trooper DeBuck, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? And your badge number and department.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Trooper Michael DeBuck, Michigan State Police, badge number 203.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf. Counselor?
Yes.
Stipulate, all right, with that stipulation, we'll find your client responsible to the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay that?
Keirstyne, when can you pay in the next 48 hours?
Yes. Yeah.
I'm going to give you until till Monday to get that payment in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you and counselor and trooper. You be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr.
Thank you, Your
Mandel,
Honor. Have a good day.
Yes.
may I have your P number, please?
Yep. 59066.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. The city of Detroit versus James Lowell Gordon, case numbers SP 1535, strike that, SP 153155053, SP 173098001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
James Lowell Gordon.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Today is date and time set for. Help me out, Mr. Berry.
Pretrial, Your Honor, for the matter on the docket.
All right, so I'm gonna take SP 153-15053. I'm gonna dismiss that, Mr. Gordon, you pay. So we're here for the pre-trial on the other matter. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Just pass the map. Khyree Lance here. No, Lance, is that Khyree Lance?
How you doing, Your Honor? I'm here.
Good morning to you. Okay, we have to, all right, you have more than one. Okay,
Good morning,
so
Your Honor.
your matter doesn't start until, I thought if the officer was here, one of the officers was here, if all the officers was here, I would have called it. But it's not gonna start until the officers a half-hour grace period. Anybody's here for a trial, that grace period will go through 9:30. If they don't show up by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If they show up, then we'll get you in a breakout room and speak with the lawyer. So we're waiting on some more of the officers. Good morning, Ms. Schneider.
Okay.
Good morning, Gardner.
Yeah, this is City of Detroit versus Myliyah Greathouse, case number SP 173-2247, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Greathouse.
Ms. Greathouse, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Myliyah Greathouse.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Soroki, Ms. Greathouse. Starting, let me see what happened with this one. Pled to an amended count of limited access 6-10. And she's paid on that. There's no insurance. I'm gonna dismiss it. Dismiss for and
I'm sorry, Judge. I can't really hear you. It's like it's kind of going out, like your voice is fading.
I'm going to dismiss your case. You already got we found responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10. And I'm going to dismiss this case for paying-related civil infraction. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you as well, sir.
Anthony Ousley.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well.
This is the City of Detroit versus Anthony Ousley, case number SP 1566063, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Anthony Ousley.
Mr. Ousley, state your name for the record, please.
Anthony Ousley.
All right, today's date and time set for a pre-trial, sir. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Room, let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Sarah Oropeza or Peza?
Yeah, Siara Oropeza.
Oropeza?
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Sierra Corona. SP 1734471. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Oropeza. Please state your name for the record.
Siara Oropeza.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, not unless you don't mind me asking your client if she has a valid driver's license.
I do have a valid driver's license.
License is valid. I'm going to
Yes.
dismiss the case. Provide the valid documentation. There's nothing further. Have a very good day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Granberry.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Henry Clay Granberry, case number SP 173477161. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Granberry, please state your name for the record.
Henry Granberry.
All right, Mr. Granberry indicated that for today's date and time set for a pre-trial, indicated that he had valid insurance. I'm going to break out room, Mr. Granberry, speak with Ms. Harris and show her your documentation, okay?
Yes, sir.
It was. Are we ready, Ms. Soroki, on Ousley?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ousley. Mr. Ousley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client's going to continue his plea of not guilty, request a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Ousley?
That is correct.
All right. I'm going to set a trial date for August 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
On the iPhone, I just let you in. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
I'm Andre Gordon. I'm sorry.
Gordon on the iPhone.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Lydell Owney. Case number SP 1604589, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1630197, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696941, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696946. SP 1706102, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1706122, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1696946, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of defendant Owens.
Owney. All right. Mr. Owney, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Did he fall off?
No, he's got to unmute.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Lydell Owney.
All right, good morning. All right, Ms. Soroki, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cases into the record. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the docket. A lot of them are civil infractions. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Do you have your ink pen ready, Ms. Soroki?
I do, Your Honor.
Expired plate, improper display of plate, defective brake lights, improper display of plate, defective bumper, windshield, or expired plate, no valid registration, no insurance proof. I will allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front on a no insurance proof. If the city has no objections to setting aside these defaults, the court will have no issue with setting them aside. How many do you have, Ms. Soroki?
2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
And then the 6 on the docket.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Owney, Ms. Soroki's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. James Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel. His contact number is in the chat.
All right, Mr. Gordon, is the best number to reach you at 313-918-2159?
Yes.
Mr. Gordon, I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. I set that date just to make sure that that appointed attorney has contacted you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You will. Have a good day. City of Detroit versus Gwendolyn Denise Good, case number SP 17293891. Here's the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Good.
Gwendolyn Denise Good.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Berry. See if you can get Ms. Good an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Good, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's go back past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granberry. Mr. Granberry, it's my understanding you showed that documentation. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Granberry. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, Madam Camaria.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Tukey Kamara.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do. I will.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Wolof and Wolof to English?
I will. I do.
Okay. Is that Brain Gay? Is that the defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to give the officer a little bit more time to show. They haven't. I'll give them until 9:30, and we'll.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm here.
Yeah, I know you're there, sir. I know you're there. Good morning to you, Mr. Gay, and your daughter. Good morning to both.
Good morning.
Give them a half-hour grace period. All right. Is Sergeant Robinson? Good morning to you. Mrs. Harris, City of Detroit. This is City of Detroit versus William Green. William Edward Green, case number SP 17096911. Sergeant Robinson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, sir. Sergeant Willie Robinson, badge S25, Detroit Police.
Mr. Green, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, you want to see this video, sir?
Yes, sir.
How do we do this, Mr. Sergeant Robinson, or maybe our tech savvy Ms. Harris?
I just need permission to share my screen.
We can go into a breakout room. If you make him co-host, we can show it in a breakout room unless the court needs to see it as well.
No, I don't need to see it. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris and Mr. Green. Join the room when you see it.
Yes, sir.
And where is he on the docket? I apologize.
It's probably not. This was continued from the other day. he had a deal to $100. I was gonna fine him $100 for the school bus. He emphatically says that the school bus stop sign was not out. And Sergeant Robinson is emphatic that it was. And just go see what he wants to see it.
Okay.
Please. All right, are we ready on any retained matter?
Your Honor, Chanel Oleski.
Has it worked out?
No, Your Honor, I'm not able to prove that it wasn't her that these tickets were issued to, so I will be requesting a bench trial. And she has two different tickets, so we have to have both of them put on that same date.
I see that. All right, all right. So let's see why it's not the same. City of Detroit versus Chanel Oleski, case number U713-36625, SP 1728970. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
My full maiden name is Chanel Oleski.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Mr. Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor, we're requesting that both these matters be set for trial. Actually, the other ticket I have is set for trial on August 5th of 2025 at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, that won't give us a chance to,
notify.
Not enough time to notify the officer of the other day.
That's fine. We can reschedule.
We want to reschedule both of them on the same day? Or
Yes,
you want
Your
to come
Honor.
back and then come back for the other?
We would prefer to reschedule both on the same date.
All right, set the matter for trial on August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
That's fine, Your Honor. August 25th at 8:25 at 9 o'clock. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
See you then, Ms. Oleski.
Thank you, Mr. Soroki.
And Judge, when the court has a moment, can I have co-host, please?
You may. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Any other retained counsels ready?
We're ready on Gardner.
This is the city of Detroit. This is Carl Anthony Gardner.
Yes, I believe
This is the city of Detroit versus Carl Anthony Gardner, case number SP 1730111, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record.
we were able to work out an agreement with the prosecutor, with the city attorney.
Can you put your appearance on the record, counsel?
Oh, sorry, Margaret Tracy on behalf of Mr. Gardner.
And your P number, please.
63840.
Very good, Mr. Gardner. Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I don't know if he made his way back here from the breakout room.
All right, did you to go let him know?
I did.
He has you've read his advice and rights and everything?
I did, yes.
Mr. Gardner, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Judge. Carl Gardner.
All right. Today is the date and time set for what is set for a pre-trial. What is the resolution, Counselor? Counselor? believe her screen is frozen now. Am I being heard?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counselor for Gardner. All right, Mr. Gardner, I believe your attorney's lost her connection. That's the matter. That's time for officers as well. Let me go in this breakout room and see this. All right. Let's go back to the breakout room. Mr. Green, Mr. Sergeant Robinson, Ms. Harris. Go to the breakout. Yes. Let's get to Olympia grab it.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning to you. You're good. You're in a good mood to come to court, huh? Let's see. Miss Harris, are you in the room?
I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Olympia, Alexandria. I'm sorry. It just cuts the last name off right here. Alexandria.
Right.
Case number SP 1728250, counts 1 and count 2. SP 1728251, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728252, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gravitt, please state your name for the record.
Olympia Alexandria Gravitt.
And you're not going to have any problem with Ms. Gravitt. She's in too good of a mood today to be giving anybody any problems. All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases on the docket. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases into the record. Let me see which one is not here. Looks like straddling left lane of traffic, straddling traffic lane or something like that. Maybe the one. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass them out. Are we ready on anyone? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owney. Mr. Owney, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client wants to do, he wants to pay that reinstatement fee up front.
Yes, Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with the city attorney, and she said that if the civil infractions were from this year, she would be agreeable setting them aside. So we're asking the court to allow him to pay the reinstatement fee and set these matters for a pretrial.
And what were they set for today? Arraignment on the bench. All right, I'm going to set a pretrial, Mr. Owney, for August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. You know what to do, right? You need to come down to the courthouse, pay that money up front, $45. There's no better way that I can get you to do that but to come in and pay that up front. You have to come down, and then once you get that, that should get you clearances here. I don't know if that's going to be able to get you a driver's license because I don't know what your driving record looks like in other jurisdictions, but that'll get you clearances down here. If there's nothing further, Mr. Owney, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right, come back on August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30.
Yes, sir, Judge. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right.
Ready
Yeah,
to
this is
start then?
good. Yeah, give me 1 second, Mr. Berry. Somebody, all right, give me 1 second. Let me get Miss. Oh, let's see what, are you back with Carl Anthony
Yes.
Gardner?
Yes, I am. I'm
Let's
sorry.
go back up to Carl Anthony Gardner. What's gonna be the resolution?
He's accepting a plea to failure to display, and the other 2 charges will be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Gardner, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Your counsel went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 22nd, 2025 at around 9:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Edinburgh and Clarita. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You operate a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Beg your pardon? I didn't hear you, sir.
Why couldn't you produce that license, Mr. Gardner?
License was suspended.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, 240, sir. When can you pay it, Mr. Gardner?
The 22nd of this month. I mean, August, sir.
Pay it by, make sure it's paid by the 25th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. I didn't hear the last of what he said.
I'll call you, Mr. Gardner.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You just said thank you for nothing. All right. City of Detroit versus Khyree Lance, case number SP 124-7265, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-72731. SP 126-2644, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 130-9225, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 137-24811. SP 146-7518, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 146-76251, count and SP 146-76252. SP 1524303, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1524381, SP 15633 SP 1661135, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lance.
Mr. Lance, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Khyree Lance.
All right. And Officer Denard, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Officer Nard, badge number 484, Detroit Police.
Officer, is there Officer Smith here?
Detective Smith, I got promoted, so it'd be Detective Arion Smith.
Good morning to you, Detective Smith. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Badge number and department, please.
Badge number D3631, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Officer Kakis, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Who is here? Officer Ochoa, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Jorge Luis Ochoa Perez.
Say that again.
Jorge Luis Ochoa Perez.
I don't hear him.
He's not, that's not the same person. It's Mr.
Joel Ochoa. I'm sorry, Jorge. Sorry. All right, that's not you. All right, is Officer Ochoa here? Officer Kakis, you have to state your name, badge number, department for the record, please. Officer Mullen, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please, and turn your camera on.
Officer Nathaniel Mullen, badge 2632, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Tyson, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Police Officer Tyson, Detroit Police Department, badge number 987.
Very well. Officer Balija, Balija. I don't believe he appeared, so I don't have Officer Balija and Officer Ochoa. Ms. Hasoroki, get Mr. Lance an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lance, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for a trial. I'll put the officers in a room with the city if they want to speak to them.
I believe the city may have gone to another courtroom, but we'll wait for it.
All right, join the room, please. What's up, Tom? Yeah, man, come on over here. You got it. Here. Good. Congratulations. All right. Yeah. You might take your little book and you get over it. Good to see you. So what brings you down here? Oh, okay. Is it in front of me?
No, I'm scheduled to see if I can.
What's his name? Bryce. No, wouldn't be a problem. Look up Tommy White. IE, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. All right.
Have a good day.
Yeah, he's gonna look it up for you.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Good. Ms. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a bench trial date.
Trial date. All right, trial date. Ms. Good, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Do you want a counsel or you just want a trial date?
A trial.
All right, come back on August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Good, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
Right. Sierra. Where's Sierra? Is that Sierra Lockett?
Here.
Good morning.
Sierra Lockett. Good morning.
Already planned on here. It's given it to you. This one is already planned on. You just owe money.
I got one ticket. I ain't got no.
So the new thing hasn't come into the system yet.
I shouldn't have done anything. Well, you got it like 2 days ago.
Yeah, it's not in the system.
What is this? This should be. Operating permit. No, this is paid.
City of Detroit versus Sierra Lockett, case number SP 173-0253, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lockett.
Sierra Lockett.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time
Good morning.
set for a
This
pre-trial.
not even me,
Mr.
that's
Berry, give Ms. Lockett an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lockett, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
I didn't hear your birthday.
Let's pass the matter. Join the room, please.
And Judge, I should be ready on both of my cases if the court is ready.
Who are your cases?
Brian Gay, who he speaks Wolof, but it's my understanding there's no officer and he does have his daughter here. So I figured.
Yes, all interpreter.
Do we have an interpreter here?
Yes. Of course. And Ms. Gravitt has a valid license.
What
Ms.
are you
Harris. Brian.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Brian Gay, case number SP 111-08053-26-925-7324. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Masseria, P87848 on behalf of Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, please state your full name for the record.
You have to let the interpreter interpret.
Oh, I apologize.
Mr. Gay, yaa ngi may dégg.
Waaw.
Waaw na ngeen def ça va.
Oh yeah.
Waaw léegi sa kees bi lañuy wax léegi. Nee nañu dañ ko doon lire numéro kees bi yëpp. Ñu ngi lay déglu dégg nga déglul ak kii baa ngi noonu.
Wow.
You got it.
All right. Go ahead, sir.
Frank Masseria, P87848 on behalf of Mr. Gay.
Gay.
Wow.
Kii taxaw nii xàmme nga ko moom mooy sa kii bi avocat bi ah.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Our day is date and time set for a trial. Do we have Officer Crawley or Officer Cooks? Officer Crawley or Officer Cooks?
Nee na dañuy seet ndax officier yi la kii yoon yi nga amaloon affaire ñi ngi taxaw ci fii moom la ñuy woo ñett ñi xaw ma ku xaw ma kii donc moom la ñoom la ñuy seet.
Wow.
I'm hearing no response. Go ahead, counsel.
I'd be making a motion to dismiss, Judge.
Nee na avocat bi dafa bëgg ñu kii arrêté cas bi dégg nga mais kii bi waxagul dara.
Wow.
All right, cases are dismissed for no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you and your daughter and Madam Interpreter.
Thank you, sir. Gay léegi kii nañu amatul dara luñ lay toppee parce que officier yi ñëwuñu kenn ñëwul dégg nga.
Jërëjëf.
Donc mi ngi lay souhaiter bonne chance ah.
Jërëjëf.
Waa kay mun ngeen arrêté génn ci conférence bi ah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Au revoir. Bye.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You're gonna pay the $45 reinstatement fee, okay?
He has to pay the $45?
Yes,
Okay. And where he should pay that?
at 36 District Court online. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to his phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person.
Gay, da nga dem. Gay, da nga dem. I think they left. Waxaar. Nee na da nga war a fay $45.
Waaw.
Ay frais la dégg nga. Donc ci tribunal bi ngay dem fay ko dégg nga.
Mën nañ ko fay online wala dañuy dem fay ko.
Da ngeen dem foofu fay ko dégg nga.
Mën naa ko fay tey.
Waa soo bëggee tey da ngay dem ci kii bi rek tribunal bi nga ànd ak sa doom bi ngeen dem laajte nga leen wax leen seen kees nga ne leen wala nga laaj sa avocat boobu fan ngeen ko kii mais tey mun ngeen dem ci kees bi léegi ngeen fay ko.
Waaw kees bi nekk downtown.
Waa bi nekk ci kii bi tribunal bi.
Waaw Madison.
Waaw.
Waaw.
Waaw ngeen dem foofu ngeen fay ngeen wane numéro kees bi rek après ngeen ne da ngeen war a fay $45 di ngeen fa fekk seen tur ak yëpp.
Numéro kees mooy SP 1111.
Waaw ba pare ak soo wanee sa carte d'identité sa ID ak yooyu yëpp di nga fa fekk information yëpp.
Baax na incha allah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. You got it.
Thank you. Everybody have a great day.
Thank you.
You do the same. Thank you.
Your Honor, can you let Ms. Snyder in, please?
The city of Detroit versus Bradley Michael Gates, case number SP 173366961. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning to you and your staff, Judge Perkins. This is Attorney Paul Spagnuolo, IP number 72366. I'm here on behalf with Mr. Gates, who should be appearing by Zoom while I'm in person in front of you.
All right, Mr. Gates, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Bradley Michael Gates.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. My understanding, your client wants a trial date, correct?
That is correct. At the moment, I did have an opportunity to speak with Attorney Sister Counsel Snyder, and there was an offer I need to go through with my client, but at this time, we're going to set up for a trial date with you, Judge.
All right, I'm going to give you a trial date of August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. It's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thanks for your patience with me this morning.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Your Honor, we're already on Lanigan. Your Honor.
Lanigan. Who's your other one, Mr. Masra? Sorry.
I have Leverett. She should be a dismissal. I don't believe there's an officer here.
Here. Is Leverett here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Lanigan here.
He's there.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Lanigan, case number SP 1725507, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Hart appearing on behalf of Mr. Lanigan. We're just asking for a trial date, Judge.
Key number for the record, please, Counsel Hart.
36686.
All right, Mr. Lanigan, state your name for the record, please.
Christopher John Lanigan, Your Honor.
The trial date is going to be August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Judge, will that be Zoom or live?
That's like Burger King. You have it your way.
Zoom.
Best I can do, Counsel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, have a good.
Take care.
City of Detroit versus Anasia. No. Ashane.
Here, Your Honor.
Leverett.
Yes.
Number SP 1677956, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Masseria, P 87848 on behalf of Ms. Leverett.
Ms. Leverett, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Asian A. Robin Nicole Leverett.
State your name, Robin Nicole. All right. day is date time set for a trial. Officer Moulton. Yeah, I haven't heard and seen that officer check in.
Judge, I'd be making a motion to dismiss.
I will dismiss the cases for no officer. There's nothing further, Ms. Leverett. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
You as well. That one, who's on Lance? Who's on Lance? Lance, Ms. Soroki does have another, that officer did show it here. All right, let's go back on the record. Mr. Gravitt, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel, and I've placed her contact information in the chat.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Gravitt?
Yes, because there's some stuff that's not right, so.
You don't have to say much more, just, all right, we'll get you an appointed attorney. What I need you to do is I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, which is going to be pre-trial on August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30, we're going to get an attorney appointed to you on the spot on that day, okay?
Okay, you said August 22nd?
August 22nd at 8:30. So there's nothing further, Ms. You have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too, Judge.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Where is the other Lockett? Rochelle Lockett?
Hi, I'm here.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, thank you. All right. City of Detroit versus Rochelle Lockett, case number SB 164906661. Here for the record, please.
Rochelle
Cherica Harris.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear that.
It's okay. Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lockett.
Ms. Lockett, you can take your name to the record now, please.
Rochelle Lockett.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that if there's a warrant, that it would be recalled.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lockett, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Oh, it was 3 months delayed. Oh, she paid the money. Okay, so we're done. I'm gonna dismiss the case. All right.
Sounds good to me.
I bet it does. All right. Have a good day, Ms. Lockett. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You have a blessed one as well.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sure.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Hold on, Mr. Ochoa.
Hi, okay, thank you. Sorry.
Jermaine Vernon.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your full name?
Jermaine Raynard Lewis Vernon.
Let's see. Oh, man. This is
I counted 87 because you were probably
87.
about to try to count, but I could be wrong.
They said 90.
Oh, okay. Well, I
90.
corrected.
He wants to put up to 90. City of Detroit versus Jermaine Lewis Vernon, case number SP 1425733, SP 1425759, C549610, counts 1. SP 102347441. SP 1033452, SP 1095609, SP 1095880, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1122469, counts 1 and count 2 and counts 3. SP 1224701, SP 1148495, SP 1178975, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1188543, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1261576, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1281390, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1281499, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 299, no, strike it, SP 1299262, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1299271, SP 1337501, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1340121, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1357525, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 135752661, SP 1408206, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1424626, counts 1 and counts 1448828, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1507974, counts 1, 2. SP 1594706, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1594757, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1616050, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1616051, SP 1623513, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1632, strike that. SP 1623514, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1643881, count 1. SP 1643916, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1655134, count 1. SP 1655136, 1, 2, and 3. SP 1703646, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1703881, SP 1704022, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1756711, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1756714, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 819909, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 99265, count 1. SP 9926553, 17396280, counts 2 and counts 3. 2045511, counts 1 and counts 2. 2071529, counts 1 and counts 2. 2144061, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appears for the record, please. Appearing for the record, please.
I think that's me, Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Please state your name for the record. Mr. Lewis Vernon, please state your name for the record.
Jermaine Lewis Vernon.
Okay, Mr. Lewis, go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Your Honor, I still think I only counted 87 on the docket. I know he said it's 90, but I will just try to figure out what those other 3 are. So my client stands mute.
I really don't care It's this, it's just gonna go like this, Mr. Lewis Vernon. If you get, I see you got some newer tickets too recently. Mr. Lewis Vernon, if you get some more tickets, this only way that's gonna stop you or to get it clear to you is give you some jail time. Do you understand that?
Yes.
That's the only way. It seems like that's the only other tool that I have in my toolbox to get you to comply. Whether that will make you comply or not, I don't know. But this is ridiculous. Get them an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And I'm gonna certainly be watching. If you get another ticket, sir, you're gonna remember what I said, all right? So it's not gonna be a surprise. It's not gonna be a surprise to you. Join the room, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Let's pass the matter. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lockett. Ms. Lockett, Sierra Lockett, I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the no license charge, the remaining two matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lockett?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Why don't you get a license?
Yes, I need to be grown. Go ahead and get my license. Yes, I do.
All right, so it's just not about being grown now. All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May 22nd, 2025, around 11:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Dexter and Linwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have a driver's license.
Very good. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 would be the fine. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. With that, now, when can you pay $240?
I'll say about the 22nd of this month.
I'm gonna give you to the 25th to get it in here.
Okay.
You pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Have a blessed day. Thank you.
Thank you. Grayson, Brandon Grayson.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I don't see you on the docket.
8:35, Your Honor.
It is 8:35?
Yes.
Let's see. Good morning to you, sir. Let's see. You're junior, correct?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Brandon Grayson Jr. and the state of Michigan versus Brandon Grayson Jr. Case number SP 1733498, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SX 45298951. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grayson.
Brandon Grayson Jr.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, how old are you, Mr. Grayson?
18.
18. Mr. Berry, he has 3 civil infractions. Why didn't you take care of these civil infractions that you had? One of them of which is a no insurance proof that's affecting you to get a driver's license. Go ahead.
Actually, I did get that figured out. The person's car the person's name the car was in, he actually had to go to court for it, and he showed proof of the insurance and everything of that nature. I actually have the dismissal for it. And he asked about me and did I have to take care of anything, and they told him no. Then literally maybe like 2 months, a month later, I had got a ticket about court. I mean, mail about court.
Last year.
Yep.
I'm gonna set those defaults aside for him so he can get have to get a valid license.
Appreciate you.
And you have $45, sir.
Are you asking me if I have $45?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You need to come down to the courthouse and pay that $45 on that no insurance proof, so that you can get yourself started on the way to get yourself a valid license. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry is gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. He may get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Are the 3 civil matters, are they?
It's just, well, I'm gonna set aside the 3, and I'm gonna set the other matters are on the docket. Let me say this. So here's it's going to be an improper turn, expired plate, and a no insurance proof. Because I only see two things on the docket. And then it'll be a 2 more civil infractions of expired plate and a defective brake light. Then you have the other 2 that are on the docket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in total.
All right.
You got it, Mr. Berry?
Yes, I have 7. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, go to the breakout room and speak with Mr. Grayson. Join it, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lance. There is an officer that was here, B.A. So Mullen was here. So the one officer is here, B.A.J.P.A.I. He is here.
Your Honor.
You took that into account.
Pauline Strokey again for the record. Yes, Your Honor. The city, he was in a breakout room. The city attorney and I did see him. She did make an offer. My client would plead to 8 matters. The rest would be dismissed. He's not interested in availing himself of that offer, Your Honor.
So we have to have a trial.
Multiple trials.
Yeah. I mean, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Well, we're just gonna pass it, Mr. And get some of these people out of here, all right? Mr. Lance. All right, let's pass it. Let's go to Thomas Locklear. Thomas Locklear. He's on the phone, I believe. He's on. He's press star six. Unmute yourself, Mr. Locklear, and start your video. The City of Detroit versus Thomas Locklear, case number SP 162942991. Appearance for the record, please.
Thomas Locklear.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Locklear.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Soroki, give Mr. Raymond on the bench more. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, at this time, we're going to waive the formal reading of the information and stand mute to the charges.
In or not guilty, claim your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Soroki, come in the breakout room. Give Mr. Locklear updated offer. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, he has not to do the trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Locklear, join me, please. All right. Guzman Ibarra. I got some people in the way. On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your name, start your camera and state your name, please? iPhone, unmute yourself. I'm giving you the prompt.
I'm sorry, this for me, Andre Gordon.
No, that's not for you, sir. Take your hat off, please.
I'm sorry.
Take the phone. You're unmuted now with sunglasses on. Are those prescription glasses? Sir, with the sunglasses on. iPhone. iPhone. You're looking right in the camera, sir. State your name. You got it. Can you not hear?
Oh, I can hear now.
No,
yes,
not
I'm
you.
Hosey Oliver.
Not you, Ms. Oliver.
Oh, okay.
Do you speak? Do you need a sign language?
I couldn't hear you at first.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Shantez Gibson.
Shantez, are those prescription glasses?
I'm blind in one eye.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gibson.
Good morning.
All right. I'm gonna bring the rest in. iPhone 11.
Oh, how you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
What is your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Arion George.
Did we already speak? Yeah, you checked in earlier.
Yeah, but you told me to have a she was gonna get with me.
Yeah, you just gotta wait till your name gets called. We got a lot of people. I'm just you haven't lost your spot. That's what I'm letting you know. All right. Who are we waiting on, Ms. Soroki? Are you ready? No. Are you ready, Ms. on Mr. Jermaine Vernon?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Vernon. Mr. Vernon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to come back for a pretrial date. The city attorney is advising that he take a driving course and approach the Secretary of State to see if he can get his license. I did advise him that I believe there are 4 no proof of insurance matters that he would need to pay, and possibly he could get a license. So we are asking for that option. There was an offer, but to get a better offer, he needs to take those steps.
I'm not gonna give him a pretrial date. I'm gonna give him a trial date. Because I'm not gonna have, this is a pretrial today. I'm not gonna have Ms. Mathis put 90 more cases into the system like that and continue to keep on putting these cases into the system. So I'm not gonna do it. You'll have until, I will give you an opportunity to take the class. You can take the class from, it'll be trial. And this might be the last trial. It'll be trial on August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. You know what to do, right, Mr. Lewis Vernon?
Yes, sir.
One other day on it. We're gonna give you another day. This is gonna be a one-day affair, all day. Now, I'm telling you, sir, I don't come back in here with any new tickets on a new court date.
Oh, yes, sir.
If you get some new tickets, you might as well just come on in on that date, not even come on Zoom.
August the 26th.
August the 26th.
Yes.
That's August the 26th, 2025. So that gives you plenty of time to get your stuff together, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any further questions?
No.
If it's nothing further, Mr. Lewis Vernon, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. Oh, I should have given that class. It doesn't. City of Detroit versus Ryan Allen Larson, case number SP 1732636, counts 1 and count 2. SP 173280021, appearing for the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you,
Erica
sir.
Harris, on behalf of Mr. Larson, please state your name for the record.
I am Larson.
There's
Can you
the
hear me?
time, show cause, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request any warrants be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Larson, there's 11 to 15 over and a failure to use turn signal. Also, Ms. Harris. Give Mr. Larson an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Larson, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Okay, thank you.
Just pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Brandon Grayson. Mr. Grayson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date to enable him to return with documents, including the license.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Grayson. I'm gonna give you a trial date on the 25th of August, okay? 25th of August at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, all right?
Thank you, sir. You too. Appreciate you.
Your Honor, I am ready on Mr. Locklear, and I'm also going to stand in for Mr. Guzman Ibarra for Mr. Dupree, who believes it's going to be a dismissal, and I've confirmed that with the city attorney.
We get Mr. Berry started.
Okay.
Abdul Greer.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Abdullah Muhammad Greer, case number SP 1721486, counts 1 and counts 2. Appears to the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greer.
Abdul Muhammad Greer.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Okay.
Go in the room, let us know what you want to do when you get out and pass them out. Is Miss Miss Gunn here?
Yes, I'm right here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This has not been paid. This is the city of Detroit versus Camaria Lun, case number 243580791. State your name for the record, please.
Camaria Gun.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for review. You haven't paid it, ma'am. What's going on?
Can I pay it by August 8th?
All right, I'm gonna waive the late fee on there to get you back to the original amount. Well, you paid $100 for it. I'm gonna get you back to the 240. August 8th.
Yes.
Come back August 15th, okay?
Okay.
15th. Make sure it's paid. Any dividend. You know how to pay it. Paid some.
Yeah.
All right. Best of luck to you, Ms. Gunn. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you.
Ms. Soroki, let's go back on the record with Mr. Chalmers. We have to bring him out, right?
I had Mr. Locklear, I believe, was the last person.
Chalmers Locklear.
You're right. No, he should be out. Did he not come?
He's not. And who is the other one you're standing in for?
Mr. Ibarra Garcia, I believe Ibarra. Let me look. I'm sorry, Guzman Ibarra.
Guzman Ibarra.
Guzman Ibarra.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Locklear. Mr. Locklear, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak with the city attorney. She cannot make an offer without the officer, so requesting a bench trial date.
All right. That's what you want to do, sir? Mr. Locklear? Mr. Locklear? Unmute yourself. He needs to get some help on that. All right, let's pass it.
No.
Lock. You want a bench trial date, Mr. Locklear?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll give you a bench trial date of August 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
August what?
25th.
Let's call the city of Juan Guzman Ibarra.
You can close that. Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
All right, you ready? This is city of Detroit, yes. This Juan Guzman Ibarra, case number B1389535 and SP171076991. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Guzman Ibarra, standing in for his attorney, Mr. Matthew. With his permission, is that all right, Mr. Ibarra, if I stand in for your attorney?
Yes.
It's my understanding it is a date and time set for trial, and I don't believe the officer has appeared. If that's the case, we move for dismissal.
All right, it's Officer Brantley here. B13895-325 to dismiss. No officer. In the other case, the failure to use due care and caution, he paid that. We have this file. It doesn't list that. I see that's paid. It doesn't. I don't know if it was the delayed sentence or not. It doesn't list it on here. The other matter, we're just going to close it out. All right, we're going to close out SP 171076991. Close out. Pay. All right, Mr. Guzman Ibarra. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
All right. Thank you as well.
Your Honor, I'm at work and my phone is almost about to go dead.
Oh.
And Judge, whenever you have time, retain counsel on Lamont Gentle.
All right, and Gentle, have you got the pre-sentence report?
I did, Your Honor. They do recommend in there that he be screened for specialty court. I don't know if there's a way to bring them in on Zoom. I called them and they said they can maybe do an initial assessment.
Let's get specialty court in here. This is the city of Detroit versus Housey Oliver, case number SP156605662. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Soroki.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Oliver.
And count one of that ticket as well on the record. Mr. Oliver, state your name for the record, please.
Jose Oliver III.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Can we do it for Gentile? All right. To give Mr. Oliver an updated offer, keep in mind, Ms. Soroki, Mr. Oliver If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Roque. You let us know what you want to do, all right? Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
Judge, briefly on Gentle, I need to step into another court to handle a pretrial, so I will log back on when that's done, if that's okay with the court.
Very well.
Thank you.
Hello?
Are we ready on,
Said
are we
he's gonna
ready
put
on?
me to the breakout room?
You didn't join it. You gotta join it.
Oh, Your Honor, I didn't know to push the button. It said to join. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the open alcohol in the vehicle as a passenger, and the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Greer? Where's Mr. Greer?
Yes, sir.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Are you can put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible billing for this offense is 93 days in jail and
Yes,
or $500 fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand? You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Got any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything up other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Now, let me draw your attention back to May the 23rd, 2025, around 10:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Connor. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle, sir?
No, I was pumping gas.
You weren't inside the motor vehicle?
No, sir.
Open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Where? Well, I'd have to look at the statute, but he says he wasn't in the vehicle. He's at the gas station.
Yes, sir. I was at the gas station.
Mr. Berry, what do you want to do? You want to go back and talk to him again?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. He indicated that he was pumping gas at the time.
I don't understand it. Let's read the statute. Where's the statute? 257.6248. Michigan law that prohibits the transportation, possession of alcoholic liquor in an open or uncapped container. Violation of this law is a misdemeanor except for a passenger in a commercial quadricycle. The law is defined in section, let's see. Transportation, possession of alcohol in an open or uncapped container, open or upon which seal is broken, violation of misdemeanor, except as otherwise provided in sections 2 and 5. A person who is an operator or an occupant shall not transport or possess alcoholic liquor in a container that is open or uncapped or upon which the seal is broken within the passenger area of a vehicle, upon a highway, or within the passenger area of a moving vehicle in place open to the general public or generally accessible to motor vehicles, including or area designated for parking of vehicles in this state, except as otherwise provided in section 5, a person may transport or possess alcoholic liquor in a container that is open or uncapped upon which the seal is broken within the passenger area of the vehicle on a highway or other place open to the general public or generally accessible to motor vehicles, including an area designated for parking of vehicles in the state if the vehicle does not have a trunk or compartment separate from the passenger area and the container is in a locked glove compartment beyond the last upright seat or in any area not normally occupied by a passenger. Subsection 5, except as otherwise provided in subsection, unless prohibited by local ordinance, subsection 1 and 2 not apply to a passenger in a commercial quadricycle. A passenger in a commercial quadricycle shall not transport possess alcohol other than beer, wine, or spiritual. So the car was there liquor in the car, sir?
Yes, sir.
And was the liquor open?
Yes, it was half full. It was a double shot. It was half full.
All right. Find him guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter. He indicated that the alcohol was in the past. It was open, and I think the statute clearly says that even if it's in the generally accessible in motor vehicles, even in parking spots.
Yeah, I
agree. All right.
So
Okay, sir,
stipulated.
when can you pay?
I get paid next Thursday, sir.
Okay, so put a date on it. Want me to put a date on it?
Yes.
8/15?
Thursday. What's that? What's that? August.
I said 8/15, August 15th.
Okay.
25. All right, Kenneth, any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit? I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Well, you too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Arion George, case number SP 1722348. SP 1722369, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
Arion George.
All right.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Willing or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. George, give that's on the document, Mr. Berry.
I have 2 matters on the docket.
All right, so the other matters of defective equipment, defective or missing equipment, I have no issue with setting the default aside so that Mr. George can be heard on that. Mr. George, put you in a breakout with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
Okay. Join the room, let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Larson. Mr. Larson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 6 to 10 over, with the remaining matters being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Larson?
I'm sorry?
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10, $135. When can you pay it?
I have 2 weeks until my next payday.
Pay it by August 15, 2025. Pay it in DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you too.
City of Detroit versus Roger William Lewis. Case number SP 1649646, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1649641, SP 1722694, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1722734, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Roger William Lewis.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. I counted a 5 on the docket. There was 8 that I counted into the record. I don't have an issue with setting this limited access 274 aside, and a no valid registration aside. And then he had an improper plate misdemeanor that didn't make it to the docket. One of them did, the other one didn't. So those are the 3 matters: improper plate, limited access, and no valid registration. Mr. Lewis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to get trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Just pass the matter. Join it, Mr. Lewis. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
I'm sorry. The people did make a recommendation to my client, the civil infractions being amended to impeding traffic, the other counts being dismissed. He's waiving his rights, and I'll stipulate to the face of the complaint for probable cause.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Oliver? Mr. Oliver, you there? Did he fall off?
Is he?
No, he's still here. Press unmute. You want to take the deal, Mr. Oliver?
Yes.
All right, with those stipulations,
Yes, I'm here.
I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other matter, $175. When can you pay it, sir?
Next month.
Next
I need
month?
30 days. I need 30 days. $175.
Yep, $175.
Can I ask you this, Your Honor? Is the officer there?
Officer doesn't have to be here today. You have to set a trial for that.
All right.
All right. 175, pay it of September 2nd, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Cabral, Gordon, Brooks, Gordon Brooks there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Gabrielle.
Yes.
Sorry. City of Detroit versus Gabrielle Gordon Brooks, case number SP 172-76651. Here for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Miss Gordon Brooks.
Ms. Gordon Brooks, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Gabrielle Gordon Brooks.
All right, date is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Harris, Mr. Short, give Ms. Brooks an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Brooks, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Antonio Oliver. Good morning to you, sir. Do you have a middle name? Maurice. Maurice. Good morning to you. Do you have valid registration and insurance? Have to speak up.
I said, no, I do not.
All right, give me a minute. Let's see if there's any officers, people that didn't show up. You have a trial, Mullen is here, okay. Lauderdale is here, Long is here. Everybody showed up for trial. All right, I'm gonna take a second. Excuse me.
What was the person with street court?
No, it wasn't special report, it was Gentile.
Gentile, okay, thank you.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Rhonda Yasek. I am currently away from my desk. If your matter should require immediate attention, please call 313-965-3414. Thank you.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options. Sorry, your mailbox is full. You cannot send me messages. Delete the messages now. Thank you.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Rhonda Yatek. I am currently.
We're ready on Mr. George.
Yes.
Ready, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date to enable him to return with documents.
All right, come back, Mr. George, on August the 25th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, you're welcome, versus Antonio Maurice Oliver Jr., case number SP 1615302, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Is it Mullen Jr.? I mean, Mr. Oliver Jr.?
Yes.
Good morning. State your name for the record. You got to speak up a little bit. Your volume is kind of low.
Antonio Maurice Oliver Jr.
Can you hear that, Mrs. Williams-Law?
Faintly, Judge, yeah.
Can you turn it up a little bit more, Mr. Oliver?
It's fine.
It's not. All right. I can hear you a little bit. Go in the breakout room, see if you can work on that and speak to Mr. Berry. Mr. Officer Mullen, is Officer Mullen still here? He is. Go in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Oliver an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Mr. Oliver. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Gordon Brooks. Ms. Gordon Brooks, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is an improper play.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Brooks, do you have a vehicle?
Yes.
Yeah, why don't you take this $240 and go get some insurance on it and come back?
Insurance costs more than $240 right now.
Maybe you put a little bit more to it then. Do you want to take that time to do it or not?
Yes, I'll take the time. Might as well, huh?
Might as well. Set a trial date for August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Brooks? If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You said August 28th?
August 28th at 9 a.m.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Welcome. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Caria Little. City of Detroit versus Caria Little, case number SP 1669628. Appearance for the record, please.
Caria Little.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Miss Little.
Good morning, Ms. Little. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial. This is one that can't get any worse. You can only get better or stay the same. Speak to Ms. Cherokee in a breakout room, Ms. Little. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. You have an appointed attorney. Wait a minute. Okay, do we see attorney never did show. She asked for an attorney. Michael Lyons. Oh, give me a second, Mr. Lyons.
Hello.
Give me a second, Mr. Lyons. Who's that in the lockup there? Unmute yourself, sir. That's in the lockup.
Zachary Ganesh.
Oh, there he is. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
You did all that because you didn't want to do the drug treatment, didn't you?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's exactly the place you were trying to avoid, right?
Yes, Your Honor. But I'm much.
I'm not gonna hear it right now. Wait until I call your name. All right, are we ready, Ms. Soroki? Ms. Little is supposed to have an appointed attorney. I'm gonna get that appointed attorney in here, Ms. Little.
Okay.
Bradley?
Rodney Johnson.
Yeah, Rodney Johnson. Can we call him up? Tell him? Very good. All right, give me a minute, Ms. Little.
Okay.
All right, City of Detroit versus Michael Dewan Lyons. Case number SP 139-8578, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 173-1873, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Michael Lyons.
Colleen Strokey on behalf of Mr. Lyons.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Here's the date and time. He has some matters in warrant status, Ms. Soroki. 3 matters in warrant status.
Ready.
All right. For purposes of, I'll recall the warrant for purposes of arraignment on.
Waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
Or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. So the 3 matters were an unregistered untitled, a no insurance, and a driver's license never acquired. And then the 2 that are on the docket, a driver's license, a drive-while unlicensed, and a no insurance. Mr. Lyons, Ms. Soroki is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of improper plates to the no insurance charge, the no registration matter to be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Oliver, where are you?
I'm right here.
No, you never did. Do you have a vehicle?
No, not no more currently.
Okay then. All right, raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advisor rights in the breakout. In the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, we did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June 11th, 2024 at around 2:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit. Strike that, strike that. Let me draw your attention back to August the 21st, 2024, at around 9:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Outer Drive and Curtis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You say yes?
Yes.
Was that your 2009 Chevy?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
This is around the time I had just got the car, so I was still working on getting my insurance and license and stuff like that together.
You had to drive that car, didn't you?
I had to take care of it. And nobody else, I couldn't give myself no ride. And
you could have got a ride, you could have got on the bus.
I could. Yeah, I could have.
Drive that car, you got it.
I just got the car, I was excited to drive it.
I'm gonna find them guilty as being accounted plate. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. $240, I'll dismiss upon payment. So you won't have a misdemeanor record from this. When can you pay it?
I'm not too sure right now. I'm currently not working, so I can't come up with the money. I can, but I'm currently not working right now, so I can't give you an estimate, a date.
Why are you not working? Are you going to school?
No, I'm looking for a job now. I'm currently like a year out of school now. Just graduated not too long ago.
What school did you graduate from?
Redford High School.
And then what about a trade program or college? What are you going to try to do? What is your next move?
I'm trying to figure it out. I was looking into a trade.
All right, I want you to come back. I want you to come back next month. I want you to try to pay this, but I want you to come back next month.
Okay.
I'm gonna look for some trade programs. Would you be interested in communicating with them if I can get some for you?
Yes, sir.
What is your phone number?
313-989-2195.
Good night. Let's see.
Okay, all right. All right, thanks. All right, bye-bye.
Hello?
Give me a second, please.
She's
in here.
Oh, she is, okay.
She's in here. Let's see.
Are you scheduled for court today? Okay.
I do, oh, here. Mr. O. Oliver, do you have an ink pen on you?
Ink pen, one sec. One sec. Yes, I had one now.
All right. Write this name down, Mr. Percy Johnson. Percy Johnson, P-E-R-C-Y Johnson, J-O-H-N-S-O-N. His telephone number It's 313-719-9921. All you need to do is text that number help, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's got a link to skilled trades programs. And if you just text help, don't text anything but help, he should contact you back. I'm gonna have you back on the September the 9th, September the 2nd, 2025, at 8:25 a.m. Text him help. If you don't have any money, as long as you text that number and you get in contact with Mr. Johnson, I'll make a decision on this 240 when you come back, okay?
Yes, sir.
So I'll potentially waive the cost for you if you do that, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Oliver, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Jorge Ochoa Perez.
I'm right here.
Anybody else?
Good morning.
Anybody else that wants to get in that skilled trade program or speak to him about the trades, you can text that number as well. That does not just apply to Mr. Oliver.
What is the number again?
There we go. 313-719-9921. Just text help. 313-719-9921. All right. Jorge Ochoa Perez. This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Jorge Ochoa Perez. Case number SP11-88771, counts 1 and counts 2. SP15-85261-1. SP165-6582, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. And SP1662500, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Perez.
Judge, let me see the line. Yes. Like so.
Oh, Lance.
Lance, I'm sorry. Lance, thank you.
All right, Mr. Pattis, is he there? Or did he fall off? I think he fell off. All right, let's pass that matter. 248. And he may be back. 248. 808, 8508. I don't see that number. Mr. Ochoa, are you there? Mr. Ochoa, are you there? All right. Something's wrong with his communication. Let's pass the matter. Joel Green.
Here.
Morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Joel Green, case number SP172744661, SP172764041. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Joel Green. Joel Tambora Green.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry gives Mr. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Green, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date.
What is going on, Mr. Lewis?
It's a lot.
I know you continue to miss dates. What was this set for today?
Arraignment, Your Honor, arraignment on bench warrant, I believe.
Yeah. Is there some other services that we can help him out with?
I've advised him because he's waiting on a court date and has a timeline that he has to wait for that date and the clearance. I've advised him to possibly seek counsel to assist him with that, to help him to get his license situation cleared up.
Because I'm not inclined to give him another pretrial. He can't keep continuing to miss dates. Right on the bench warrant again. And then it just keep on resetting it. I'm gonna do this one last time, Mr. Lewis. Pretrial 8/22. Don't miss any more, please.
Yes, sir.
8/22 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're right there.
All right. Ms. Harris, you can speak with Mr. Ochoa. Oh, Mr. Johnson, you can speak with Mr. Ochoa. Mr. Ochoa, turn your camera off. Maybe that's I'm gonna stop your video. Maybe that'll help the device a little bit better. Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jorge Ochoa Perez. Put your appearance on the record for Mr. Ochoa, please, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ochoa Perez, please state your name for the record.
For
purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Go in the breakout room. He has an add to that, a no proof of insurance. It's still not in. It's in default. It hasn't gotten any reinstatement fee yet. Go in the room, Mr. Ochoa, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right, Mr. Rodney Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Little. I believe it's an allowing. I don't know what was the reason that was an appointed attorney, and maybe some fact, maybe it was fact specific. An allowing. Let's just call it city of let's go back on the record with Miss Caria Little. Mr. Johnson, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Little, who is appearing via Zoom.
All right, Ms. Little, Mr. Johnson's going to represent you. She wanted a bench trial date. I'm going to set that bench trial date for trial on August the 28th at 9 a.m. You guys get acquainted with each other, and Miss Little, if you don't have any further issue with the court or questions from the court, after you get acquainted with Mr. Johnson, you're free to leave, all right? Best of luck to you, man. Very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, parties are ready on gentle.
Okay. Mr. Vassal Johnson. Mr. Basil Johnson there?
Yes, he's here.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Where's Gentle's spot? I had it here, right? City of Detroit versus Lamont Dwight Gentle, case number Z8095961. Appearance for the record, please.
William Barnwell here on behalf of my client, Lamont Gentle.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391, lead counsel for specialty court.
All right, and Mr. Gentle, good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your name for the record, please.
Lamont Gentle.
All right, there's the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Ochoa, you have to join the room.
He did, Your Honor. We're just back out here waiting.
All right, today is the date and time set for a sentencing. Have you read the pre-sentence report and gone over it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and we also had an opportunity just a bit ago to have him screened by the specialty court. They are going to recommend that he be sentenced to the specialty court. They have determined that he is eligible, and I think they're recommending a 14-month term. My client would be asking for sentencing to the sobriety court.
That is correct, Your Honor. I did have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Gentle. Per our conversation, he is eligible and interested in our specialty court, and I would recommend that he be sentenced to the minimum term at this time of 14 months.
Yes.
While the court is overlooking that, I'll just note for the record, my client has completed the alcohol awareness weekend through Class A training and is also actively in outpatient counseling.
So you read the report?
Yes, Judge.
Is there anything anything you need to add or delete or anything that you want to address on the report?
No additions, corrections, deletions, defense is ready for allocution.
All right, go ahead.
As to allocution, my client's been very proactive throughout the course of this. He's been incredibly remorseful, has taken responsibility. As I noted, he did proactively, without anybody telling him to, sign up for the Class A trainings, alcohol awareness weekend, I'll call the alcohol and other drug weekend class. He did complete that. I did get verification of that this morning from Class A training. He also is actively in outpatient counseling. And I did get a written verification of that as well. Couldn't make that available at the court if so requested. He'll make that available to probation or to his specialty court coordinators if Your Honor were to sentence him to the specialty court. I think he'd be a great candidate. I think it'd be well worth it for him. He's somebody who is a hard worker. He's got a good job. I know he was concerned about working around his work schedule. I think he had some of those concerns relieved a bit when talking during his screening just now. He's willing to put in the work. He's willing to put in the time. He's an educated guy. He's got a bachelor's degree. It's been this one area that's kind of held him back. And I think a little bit more intensive oversight would be a great step for him. and really set him up for success in the future. So I'd ask the court to so sentence him to the 14-month term in the sobriety court.
All right. Mr. Officer Thomas, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
Are you here for Mr. Gentile?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I read the report, it indicated in the report that he's been negative ever since. Is that still the case?
Yes, Your Honor. I haven't had any positives come back from Mr. Gentile.
Okay, very well, very well. You're free to leave, Officer Thomas. I thank you so much. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Right. Mr. Gentile, do you want to say something on your own behalf? You don't have to if you don't need to.
No, my counsel have went over everything that I would have said.
Right. Well, I do have something that I wanted to see that just stood out to me. And was this your idea to go to specialty court? Is that your idea to go to specialty court, Mr. Gentile?
Yes, it's something that I've thought about doing, and I've also discussed that with my lawyer as well.
And I do applaud you for that. So I was reading the last sentence of the second to the last paragraph in the report. It says he stated he does not have to believe he has a problem with alcohol. Does that, as now that after that you've stated that in the report, when you reflect back on it now, would you change that statement?
Yes, I would change that statement.
All right. Like I say, I applaud you. I applaud you for stepping up. I think it takes a lot of courage, first of all, to recognize that you have an issue. But I think that amount of courage you display in recognizing that is exactly what's needed to overcome any kind of issue that you have. I think you're in the right place. I think Mr. Attorney Warfield and the team over there, Judge Holmes and the whole team over there are excellent at what they do. And as a matter of fact, they're more than excellent at what they do. They're a model for a lot of the courts in the entire country. So I just I really appreciate that. So I wish you the best of luck. I'm going to sentence you to sobriety court. What day is going to be the date, Miss?
Yes, Your Honor. His return to court date will be August the 15th at 9:30 a.m. in person.
All right. That's Judge Holmes, August the 15th, and you said 9:30
Yes, Your Honor.
a.m. and that would be in person. Feel free. I would love to know your progress. Feel free to stop in if you care to share your progress on that, Mr. Gentile. I wish you the best of luck. We'll be praying for you, and go green.
Thank you. Go white.
Go white. Yes, Spartans.
Good day, everybody.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Monroe. Let's go and move on to let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Lyons. Mr. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with Mr. Lyons. The people made the recommendation. He would plead to improper plate. The other counts would be dismissed, or they're amending to improper plate. I'm sorry.
And it says failure to display and improper plate, or just improper plate?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Failed to display and improper plate. My mistake. He's waiving his rights.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lyons?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about them?
No, sir.
So by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, was this your 2020 Ford that you were driving?
It wasn't mine personally, but it's a friend of mine.
All right. Well, what about this? What about this 08 Chevy?
Same person car. Both cars.
Well, we're gonna say this, then we'll give him a we'll give him a amended count for the improper plate. Unregistered, untitled Tennessee. Let me carry your attention back to October 19th, 2022, at around 1:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Griswold and Larner. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And when the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license and registration for that vehicle?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I don't. The car was not my car, but I do not have a valid license at the present time. But I'm working on it now as we speak.
Very well. Well, that's why I didn't take it for the no insurance, because you're not obligated to have insurance on a vehicle that's not yours. You are obligated, so the officer technically should not write you for, if the vehicle is not yours, should not write you for a no insurance misdemeanor. But the officer could write you for a failure for no insurance civil infraction. So I'm going to find you, but the registration, you do have to present registration. You can be written for a misdemeanor for that, even though it's not your vehicle. So I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having a registration, and I'm going to find you guilty for the amended count of failure to display for not having a driver's license. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna cut you a little break here because I know those other ones are old. I'm just gonna fine you for one. I won't fine you for the other. $240. When can you pay it?
Mid-August, in August.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm currently a janitor.
Well, that's working.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So, all right. I'll give you, you said mid-August. I'll give you 30 days. I'll give you 30 days. Pay it $240. Pay it if you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it as personal as two. Best ways I can tell you to pay it. Pay it by September the 2nd, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
All right, you're welcome. All right. Where's Mr. Johnson? Basil Johnson?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, your client is back, Mr. Ganache.
Yeah.
All right.
Judge,
All right, you can speak, Mr. Lyon.
I was gonna say there's an issue on this matter, if Your Honor.
It is an issue. All right, hold on a second, Mr. Johnson. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daresa Coleman Leonard. Case numbers SP 1089667, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11496151. SP 1306939, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1431521, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1535075, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1552062, SP 1728725, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1730961, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1472273, counts 1, 2, and 3. 17236919, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki.
Pauline Soroki, behalf of the defendant.
Good morning, Ms. Little. State your name for the record, please. Ms. Little, state your name for the record, please.
Leonard.
Is it Little or Leonard?
Little. Oh, Leonard. I'm sorry, Leonard. I'm sorry. That's make you not answer.
Yeah, Daresa Leonard.
Daresa Leonard. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
I see she paid the reinstatement fee. I don't know what's stopping her from getting the license. I counted 21 cases.
Yes, Your Honor. So the last time we was here, you told me to pay the $45 fee and take the $50 class. I paid the $45 fee that same day, but when I went down to the Secretary of State, they didn't see that I paid anything. They said that it was still affecting it.
Check that $45. There's 1,288 is now down. There must be only one. All right, we're gonna look into it. Miss Soroki, get Miss Leonard updated. Miss Leonard, sorry, an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Miss Leonard, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right, join the room.
Okay.
Let's pass. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ochoa. Mr. Ochoa, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client indicates that he has a valid license, but would need a pretrial date to come back to show insurance documentation.
All right, come back on a pretrial, Mr. Ochoa. I think you've been around here a couple of times too. Pretrial will be August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. All right, Mr. Ochoa?
Sounds good, sir.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Jamal Lewis. Mr. Lewis, are you there? Press *6 on the phone and unmute yourself, please. *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lewis. Jamal Lewis, press *6 to unmute yourself. All right.
I'm here.
All right, Jamal Lewis. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris, versus Jamal Lewis, case number SP 1446177, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1707418, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1717394, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. It's supposed to be here yesterday.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Jamal Lewis.
He's supposed to be here yesterday, Mr. for in warrant status for purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea in this behalf. Give him a $0 bond. I'll recall the warrants. You got your pen ready, Ms. Harris?
Ready.
Improper plate. No ops. No insurance misdemeanor. Drove while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Drove while license suspended, repeat offender. No insurance misdemeanor. I counted 7 cases into the record. Give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Mr. Lewis, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you're gonna do when you come out, okay? Join the room, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, as it turns out, Mr. Green called his attorney, who is here in the courtroom, Mr. Ken Dandridge.
Mr. Dandridge. All right, let's pass the matter. He's probably in another meeting. City of Detroit, let's pass the matter. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus J. Lauderdale. Case number SP7, strike that, SP 1724452, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1724555, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172515551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lauderdale.
Jade Lauderdale.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officers for Lauderdale. Is Corporal Latch here? I haven't seen Corporal Latch.
Your Honor, the motion is for dismissal. There being no complaining witness.
I have 5 cases. All right, we'll dismiss. You got lucky today, Miss Lauderdale. Corporal Latch usually shows. I don't think I've ever seen him not show. Case dismissed, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We did another briefing. You stated for her to pay it, but she never paid.
It was paid. It
It
says.
looks like it was an amnesty. They moved by $48.
Oh,
But
she
then
never
she
paid it.
never paid 45.
Oh, I see, sir. I see this. All right, Miss Kathy Lyons. Kathy Lyons.
My client was Leonard, Your Honor, if that's, oh.
Yeah, I'm getting Mr. Berry going. All right, City of Detroit, Mr. Berry. Versus Kathy Denise Lyons, case number SP 1142201, SP 1176832, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1217756, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1232333 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1421884 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1649346 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1656271 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 892169 counts 1, 2, and 3, and 1938537771. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lyons.
You fall off? Yeah. Is that Kathy Lyons? Vicky's iPhone?
Her call dropped, Your Honor.
Let's stop. Vicky's iPhone?
Yes, Michelle Ganish. My lawyer's office called and said, or Zachary's lawyer's office called and said to join the Zoom, Mr. Johnson's office. Basil.
Yeah, good morning to you, ma'am. I don't know why, I mean, other than you just being here for a support for him, you can.
I don't know either. I'm sorry. I was watching on YouTube and the lawyer's office called and said, Mr. Johnson said.
Johnson, why did you want?
Because there's a issue in terms of the representation, so I wanted her to hear from Your Honor to make things clear, if possible.
I don't know what I need to make clear to Miss. This is not her case. Her son is a grown man. I feel that that Miss Ganish is an enabler.
I don't agree with that at all.
No, you don't. Of course you probably don't agree with that. But we tried to set your son up for success, and you fought for him and said that he doesn't need to do that and things like that. You came in here and told us that.
He has done that program before, is what I said.
No, but look where he's at now.
He's sober.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, some people need different ways to get sober to get back on track.
I'm not saying they don't. I'm saying that he had an excellent opportunity over there at Judge Holmes to get sober and to be free and get sober. And you came in and fought for him to not go to that program.
No, I advocated for him that if he didn't want to go to that program because he's done it.
Right. That's what you said.
Right.
So we're saying the same thing. So other than that, I don't know what's much more that can be added to this situation. Now,
well,
Mr. Let me pass the matter. Well, let's go. We're on Miss Lyons. Let's go. We're on the record for Miss Lyons. Can somebody put their appearance on the record for Miss Lyons, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. For Miss Lyons.
Hello.
All right, Miss Lyons, state your name for the record, please.
Kathy Lyons.
All right. Day, date, and time set for Miss Lyons has a lot more that appears than it reads on the docket as well, Mr. Berry. I don't know. 18. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 18. All right, get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. There was a reinstatement. I mean, I see two no insurance proofs that have a $288 payment on them that are affecting her ability to, at least with the 36th district court, to get a license. Miss Lyons, go ahead.
Do I, those weren't my vehicles?
It does not matter.
Okay.
Does not matter. You're required to show proof of insurance on any car that you're driving. So it's your obligation to know whether this person has insurance or not. So the officer can write you for no proof of insurance, civil infraction. The officer would not be able to write you if that vehicle was not yours. You're not obligated to get insurance on a vehicle you're driving. So they can't give you a no insurance misdemeanor. But on those issues, and plus one of them was a number of years ago.
Yeah, I've never had a driver's license. They took my driver's license at 16.
Well, they'll try to help you get one, and speak to Mr. Berry, see if we can get you on a course to get one, all right? Okay. Join the room.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. All right, Ms. Soroki, do you have anyone?
Yes, Your Honor, I have Miss, oh my goodness. Miss Leonard.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Leonard. Ms. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the people are willing to amend her account to improper plate. My client's willing to waive her rights and ask the court to adopt that. Smith the second.
Ms. Leonard's got a whole lot of cases.
I saw her under 835 with 2 cases.
Yeah, I counted 1, 2, 3, 21, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 cases. Ms. Leonard, you did not pay that $45 reinstatement fee either.
I did. I paid it the same day, and I left the court and paid it in the building, the downstairs.
They're saying that you didn't pay it. It looks like you did. That's $45, Ms. Mathis. SP 11495902. I thought you did too.
Yeah, my grandma had paid it for me. I could see if she still got the receipt. It was a while ago, but I remember paying it for sure.
There's no payment, it went into default. And down here, it's a, see where it says the amnesty June 40th.
Yeah, that shouldn't be affecting, that would make it 336. That she pays that 45 because it's reading here.
This is a payment for $45 right here.
You see it?
Yep, these is cashier's receipts. So she paid.
She paid it.
Yeah.
And they're saying that ticket is still affecting your license, right?
Yes.
Got some late penalties like right afterwards, like might have washed it out.
No, it shouldn't wash it out.
All right.
Let's send a note to the abstract clerk.
Okay. Let's send it right now.
I'm going to set this matter for another pretrial. Is that the only other thing you have? Any other tickets that you have? No other tickets in other jurisdictions?
I'm working with Livonia. They're the last ones that I had to work with. In Detroit.
Come back on August the 22nd for a pretrial at 8:30. I'm going to set another pretrial. Come back August 22nd, and we're going to send a note down there to make sure that this ticket, that the one that doesn't affect you getting a license. I wish you the best of luck, Ms. Leonard. Have a very good rest of your day.
And this is for Joe.
That's for Joe.
Somebody sent you back. You take it. In a letter.
All right. Is Ken Dandridge an attorney?
I thought that's who Attorney Barry said was Joel Green's attorney.
I don't know if he's an attorney though. All right, let me pass the matter. Let's go ahead. Long. Long, are you there? Long,
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. Good afternoon now.
Good afternoon.
Is that Lazarian Long?
Lazarian.
Lazarian Long, I'm sorry. All right. It's the City of Detroit versus Lazarian Prince Long, case number SP 1680681, SP 168800601, SP 1694901, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1694902, counts 1 and counts 2. Appears to work.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Long.
Mr. Long, state your name for the record, please.
Lazarian Prince Long.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. Corporal Whitehead, good morning to you. Good afternoon to you. All right, I counted 2 other cases that weren't on the docket, that weren't on the docket, so I don't.
Couple errands.
Corporal Whitehead, you got to turn your camera on, please. All right, let me see what this is long. Yeah, there were 2/27/2025. Christopher James. I don't know why that did not make it to the docket. It was this year, 2/26. He paid a no proof of insurance. He paid a no proof of insurance highest rate.
What?
Get him an updated offer and add to that offer a drove on shoulder and 1 to 5 over the speed limit.
Okay.
And add to that offer yes, add those 2 to that offer. All right.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Long will put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Pass the matter. All right, let's call it. All right, call it City of Detroit versus Zachary Paul Ganache, case number Z8095431. Appearance for the record, please.
Vassal Johnson, the second, 72130 for the record.
Good morning, Good afternoon, Mr. Ganache. State your name for the record, please.
Zachary Paul Ganesh.
Ganesh, I'm sorry. All right, date is the date and time. I guess we're back here for a sentencing. He's already pled, right?
Yes, Your Honor. If I may, can I give a brief background?
You may.
So I just want to state for the record, June 13th, he was sentenced. A closing letter was sent out based on Your Honor's sentence to Mr. Ganache and his mother. Then he was sentenced to the drug court in Judge Holmes, and there's been a rejection by both him and his mother in that program. There's been no notices regarding continued representation or anything of that sort. A lot of calls have been made and emails and so forth from his mother. As far as I'm concerned, I believe that my representation has concluded at the sentencing date. It's been over a month and a half since then, And here we are. I got a call from Your Honor's clerk regarding today's hearing. And there's been a lot of.
I can't say that I can, the sentence was, I guess I haven't been presented with this kind of situation before.
Likewise.
I haven't been presented with this kind of situation. Because here it is, we sentenced him to drug treatment court, but that was rejected. So that brings us back to sentencing again. So I would venture to say that now, were you appointed to this case, Mr. Johnson?
Retain, Your Honor.
So is there an issue with is there some sort of breakdown, or what is it now at this point?
So at this point, there's some things that allegations or accusations and things. I'll just be brief in general in terms of that. Won't dive into that so far, but I just want to state in terms of this representation today, I'll leave it in Your Honor's discretion in terms of finalizing it or
Mr. Ganesh, what do you have to say about this?
I was just going to ask if I could get time served and give me any other kind of probation, or
I'm considering. How much time have you done?
45 days.
Yeah, no, that's not enough. That's not enough. I'll allow you to go retain another lawyer. Are you uncomfortable with proceeding with Mr. Johnson?
let me just say this. I have no problem with Mr. Ganesh. I'll say that for the record.
All right. I'm gonna put your mom out. Mom, you watch on YouTube, okay?
Okay.
Be safe.
Okay.
All right. Do you two want to go back in the breakout room and speak, or do you need to speak?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
I'd like to have a breakout room with him.
All right, pass the matter. All right, let's go back. Let's keep going. Ms. Harris, do you have anyone?
I do. If we could check the status of Mr. Lewis's license, it would be appreciated.
Mr. Lewis. I don't see Mr. Lewis' file. I don't see Mr. Lewis's file. What's Mr. Lewis's first name?
Jamal?
Jamel.
Jamal, I'm sorry.
Jamal Lewis, yes. Where is Jamal Lewis?
He said he didn't have a file. He was here yesterday.
Oh, he didn't have a file. Yeah. Can you run his license? Mr. Berry, are you ready on Lyons?
Ready, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Miss Kathy Lyons. Miss Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her contact information is in the chat.
All right, that's what you want to do, Miss Lyons?
Yes.
It's 313-759-7183.
Yes.
The best number to reach you?
Yes.
I'm going to give you a pretrial date of August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney has not contacted you by that pretrial date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Andre Gordon. Andre Gordon.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Corporal Whitehead. Is there any way I can get placed in the breakout room to talk to a prosecutor about my case?
Yes, I'm here. I'm at work. I'm sorry.
Right.
There you go.
Hey, Andre Gordon, do you have a middle name, sir?
Andre Marcel Gordon.
Spell your first name.
A-N-D.
Marcel. Marcel?
Yes.
All right, very good. The City of Detroit versus Andre Marcel Gordon, case number SB 173-0584, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, state your name for the record. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
My name is Andre Gordon.
Right.
Andre
Your Honor,
Marcel Gordon. Sorry.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He has a disregard to traffic control device. I wouldn't have any issue with setting the default aside. Give Mr. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gordon, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter, please. All right, Ms. Gibson, I'm getting to you. And it's gonna. Ms. Harris, are you ready?
We were checking the status of his license.
He has a valid driver's license.
And Your Honor, he was also able to send to me via text message copies of his,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jamal Lewis. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
I apologize. Mr. Lewis was able to send to me via text message copies of his insurance and registration. So he does have valid documentation for everything.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you on the wait for warrant fee. Have best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Judge Perkins.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Your Honor, can the court do a SOS on Mr. Long, please?
Can we get a SOS on Long, please? Shantez Gibson.
Okay, good.
You can hang up. Shantez Gibson.
Yes, I'm here.
Good afternoon to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit versus Shantez Dwight Gibson. Number SB
Good afternoon.
6921, SB 1653234, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Carica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gibson, please state your name for the record.
Shantez Dwight Gibson.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. 1, 2, 3. Give Mr. Gibson an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gibson, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Ms. Leonard, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Why are you back? Did we not finish
No, I didn't hear nothing you said after August 22nd. My phone had cut off.
Yeah, just come back on August 22nd, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by August the 2nd, then we'll get one appointed to you on that date on the spot, okay?
Okay, in the meantime, do you want me to see if the ticket is, if it'll let me go ahead with the, ticket not affecting it?
Yes, because we sent a note to, the abstract clerk to see if they can go update that like they should.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, and you said what time on the 22nd?
At 8:30.
8:30, okay, see you then.
Yeah, okay. Are we ready on anyone?
I'm ready on,
Let's go back on record with, Mr. Long.
if the court in fact has an opportunity to check his, record, his license.
He has a valid driver's license.
We're ready to proceed.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, people made a recommendation to my client, and he wishes to avail himself of that. The left turn violations being amended to 1 to 5 over, and he's also going to plead to the equipment violation. All other counts are being dismissed, including those that were in default.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Long?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that response.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. I'm gonna put, refine you responsible for defective equipment. That's 120. And find you responsible for limited access, 1 to 5. That's 125. And dismissing the other matters. When can you pay, sir?
Few days. Possibly even today.
All right, you want August the 1st? Oh, that's tomorrow, that's tomorrow. I'll give you, pay it by August the 8th, all right? Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Appreciate your patience. But for Whitehead, if it's nothing further, you be safe out there as well, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Okay. All right. Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, is it okay if I go back in a breakout room with Mr. Lance and try to resolve these matters?
Yes.
Mr. Lance, please take the prompt.
You already joined.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record. Can we check Yashanda Gibson's license, please, Ms. Mathis?
Thanks.
All right. What have you come to some kind of resolution on this? Mr.
I'm sorry, Judge, did you call me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even, Vasquez Johnson for the record.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what do you want to do? What's your client want to do?
Yes, Judge, he would ask to be sentenced today, Your Honor. We would ask to do time served in probation. He is clean. As Your Honor knows, he looks a lot different. It was good to speak to him. It's been a lot different in terms of the conversation, and there is an infection going on as well on his skin. His father, right, and his arm, and his father is having a serious heart surgery upcoming, and he's employed with a landscaping company with his family. And I would just ask for an opportunity for him to prove himself while he's on probation, and he knows a lot is at stake here.
Well, he's got 45 days served. I don't have verification. I'm just going by what it says. I know that's easily accounted for. If I sentence him to the whole 93 days, then he doesn't have to do any probation. Is that correct?
Yes.
Or do I have the authority to?
Can I have a moment with him? Yes, I'd like to speak with him.
No, I'm saying, I'm asking you, your understanding of the law as far as our sentence in the 93 days. Do I have the authority after that to keep him on probation after the 93 days? It's my understanding that if he got I do?
No, it's my understanding that the full amount, there's no probation under the law. I've had it happen before.
Yeah, there's no probation. So what do you want? Do you want the whole 93 days, or do you want the 2-year probation?
I'll take the 2 years probation, sir. And I won't screw it up.
No, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Unfortunately, I don't have much confidence in you not screwing this up. I don't have much. That's why he wants to get out so bad. And he's, this is the same way he was acting when, so his look looks different, and I'm sure he's probably a lot cleaner than he was, but his attitude is kind of the same.
Can I have a moment to speak with him again?
You may.
Thank you.
Rejoin the room. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Berry, giving you an opportunity to speak to client. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to improper plates for the insurance charge and dismiss the disregarding a traffic device.
Well, didn't we do one earlier, the same thing where it was a blocking traffic?
Really, honestly, Your Honor, I don't remember.
You want to take the deal, sir? It's a no insurance misdemeanor.
It's the improper plates is the plea.
Yeah, I know, but I don't understand why they can't offer a blocking traffic and dismiss it.
Can I press that matter, Your Honor?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
It's not like he doesn't have a driver's license or anything.
I'll be right back.
Pass them out. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Shantez Gibson. Mr. Gibson, he has a valid driver's license, Mr.
No, I just got my.
Mr. Gibson, Mr. Gibson.
Let him go talk.
I'm sorry.
The court has, go ahead.
No, I'm just, go ahead, counsel.
There's a recommendation to dismiss all of the matters based on the confirmation by the court.
Mr. Gibson, go ahead, say it.
Say again.
Say what you want to say now. You still want to say something?
Oh, no, sir. I thought you had called me to answer. That was all.
No, so he knows when to hold him and knows when to fold him. Congratulations on getting the license, sir. This case is going to be dismissed, all right?
Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
All right. You still owe $204 for an old speeding ticket.
Okay, I will pay it.
All right, very well.
Judge, Mr. Johnson was trying to verify the breakout rooms.
He's at 9.
He said he wanted 10.
I need to go.
I don't have, hold on.
All right. City of Detroit versus Yashanda Janice Gibson, case number 20. Yes. Say that again, ma'am. Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
No, sir.
Give it to me again, please.
My name is Yashanda Janice Gibson.
Yashanda Janice Gibson?
Yes.
Okay, all right, sorry about that. This is the City of Detroit. Is that your relative, Gibson?
That's my son.
That's your son, okay, very good. City of Detroit versus Yashanda Janice Gibson, case number 2044 73961 and SP 125 Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gibson, please state your name for the record.
Yashanda Janice Gibson.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Well, you want me to ask your client?
Go ahead, Your Honor. Why not?
You have a valid license, Ms. Gibson?
No, unfortunately, I felt my son get his first because of the, a lot of the situations that we've been having. So
that's the mother's love. That's all it is to it. You don't have to say more. All right. Go in the breakout room, speak with Ms. Harris, and see if she can help you. I know she can help you out. And your son is staying here by his mom's side too, because he's still in the room.
Exactly.
All right, join the room, please, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
You're not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0. All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on anybody? Yeah, you're muted, Mr. Berry. We'll get over this finally, soon. Ms. Yes.
As to Mr. Gordon, Your Honor,
Gordon, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, now, is there anything changed?
No, Your Honor. The offer is in proper place. Is there another off docket?
No, no, it's.
We were confused, Your Honor, as to what the issue was with the plea. We didn't understand.
The issue was that I thought earlier today we gave on the same thing, blocking traffic. He only has a no insurance and a disregard of traffic control device.
Who was the other defendant, Your Honor?
I'm gonna look if I can remember. I think it may have been one of the retained.
Yeah, she's gone. But yeah, he's been licensed.
Maybe I'm confusing it with another day. Nevertheless, it's it doesn't. It's no issue. You want to take the deal, Mr. Gordon?
Excuse me.
You want to take the deal?
Is there any other deal? That's the only way?
No, and I'm going to dismiss the case once you pay it anyway.
You said they're going to dismiss the case once I pay it anyway?
I'm going to dismiss the case upon payment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine then.
All right. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights to breakout room, did he not?
Excuse me?
Did he go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is this your 2004 Ford that you were driving on that day?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 29th, 2025 at around 1:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile in Edinburgh. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm not sure. What was it?
7 Mile in Edinburgh.
I stay over there, so it had to be either me or somebody that was driving my car.
It's gotta be you. It's gotta be you. They said you ran. They said they ran a red light, and they said you didn't have any insurance.
Okay, yeah, I just don't remember the day, but yeah.
Oh well. Is there? You want to plead no contest, Mr. Berry? Because he can't make a factual basis. I believe he really can't recall that instance.
I would, Your Honor, seek the no contest plea.
The no contest plea is going to be the same as a guilty plea, sir. Stipulate to the face as far as sentencing is concerned, because you don't seem to recollect, and I don't have any reason to believe that you don't recollect. Stipulate to the face of the ticket of an factual basis for that no contest plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. All right, I'm gonna find a 190 dismissal upon payment. When can you pay it?
Couple of weeks. Not long. I get paid every week, so it won't take long.
August 15th, come back on the morning of August 15th at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid by August the 15th and you know it is, you don't have to come back. I'll dismiss the case. But you're more than welcome to come back and see it through. But if it's not paid, I need to see you. All right, Mr. Gordon?
I'm gonna definitely pay it. I appreciate you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir, and appreciate your patience.
All right, have a good day, everybody.
You as well. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're requesting a pretrial date, or if the court is inclined to set the matter for trial, either or. She just needs an opportunity to visit the Secretary of State to get her license.
I'll give her a pretrial date of August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. And you know I'm gonna give her a pretrial date when she tells me that she sacrificed her license for her son's license. I gotta give her a pretrial date. I was gonna give her a pretrial date anyway because it's right around the benchmark. Ms. Gibson, I wish you the best of luck. You and your son have a very good day, and I'll come back August 22nd. Good luck on getting that license at 8:30. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Marcus Owensby. Marcus Owensby. All right, Marcus Owensby Jr. John. All right, Joel Dandridge. Ken Dandridge, I'm sorry.
Good afternoon,
Ken
Your Honor.
Dandridge, are you an attorney, sir?
No, I'm not an attorney. We have a program where we kind of work as liaisons between the state and the courts to help people avoid additional suspensions on their driver's record.
Hold on, who is on this iPhone there? Unmute yourself on the iPhone. Turn your camera back on. Unmute yourself. Who's that on the iPhone? Unmute yourself. What's your name, sir?
Matthew LaRue.
Say that again.
Matthew LaRue.
Matthew LaRue. Is he supposed to be here at 1:30?
After one check.
Yes, he is. All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Joel Green. All right. So you're state your name for the record, Mr. Ken Dandridge.
Yeah, Kenneth Dandridge.
All right. And you are from where?
Change Me Works is the name of our organization. We actually helped Mr. Green get his license back about 4 years ago. And we were kind of just, just kind of speaking on his behalf of, how his life has changed, from getting his license the first time. And he's pretty much been like, on a good track. He's, had stable employment. And we were just kind of speaking on his behalf. Hopefully, he don't put himself in a position where he loses employment based on, a bad decision that he made.
Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead, Mr.
The choice of the day is trial and the appointment of counsel.
Or?
No, that's what we want. That's what we want for this client, Green.
All right. That's what you want, Mr. Green? I think Mr. Green wants to.
What exactly my
and for it to go away. Mr. Green, you spoke with Mr. Berry, right?
Yes.
And you guys chose to go and get yourself, us appoint you an attorney to handle this matter specifically, right?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna appoint an attorney. I'm gonna set it for another pretrial date. That pretrial date will be on August the 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Me, Mr. Green, or are you talking?
Green, you. It's your case.
248. My bad. I can't hear. My phone is a little messed up, man. I just got done cooking for my daughter, so the fan off. I can't hear.
248.
825 5455.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. That appointed attorney does not contact you. If you haven't gotten in contact with that appointed attorney by August the 22nd, the next court date, we're gonna get an attorney appointed for you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
And Mr. Dandridge, you can feel free to come join back in as well on that date.
Absolutely. I appreciate it. Thanks, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
I got one last thing, Judge.
Yes.
That earlier you had sent out a phone number for the trade thing. I didn't get the digits to it all the way.
And Mr. Dandridge can take this number down for his anybody that he knows. His name is Percy Johnson. Percy Johnson.
Hey, I know. Go ahead, sorry.
You know him?
Yeah, I met him through my big cousin Kanita before.
Yeah, when he's through the farm, Family Assistance to Renaissance Men. 313-719-9921. You text that number and just text the word help. You don't need to text anything else but the word help. And he should be able to get back in contact with you. He's trying to help people get into the skilled trades programs.
Oh, good stuff.
All right, that sounds great.
Mr. Dandridge's program, Your Honor.
Mr. Dandridge, can you state your program's name again, please?
Yeah, the name of our organization is Change Me Works. One of our biggest accomplishments of this year, we actually partnered with State Rep Donovan McKinney, and we were actually able to get a bill passed, Bill 5103, which basically helps people who have never had a license before. A lot of times they'll pay tickets for drove while license suspended, no proof of insurance. And then as soon as that happened, the penalty from the Secretary of State is a 3-year sanction where they're not eligible to apply for a license. So we were actually able to get that bill overturned on, it went into effect April 1st of 2025. So it's expected to help over 250,000 people become eligible for a license in Michigan if they don't have any outstanding tickets at the moment. So just some information to pass along to you guys.
So how do we refer people to your program and what is your criteria?
They can actually give us a call. Our number is 586-413-7715. We're actually working on a nonprofit status, which, you know, it's in process, but we're still working on it right now. There is a cost for our services, but I'm looking forward to that nonprofit situation coming along so we can help a lot more people.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna keep
Absolutely.
you.
Thanks for asking.
They can't get their way through the system, so maybe very bad.
It's unfortunate because a lot of people, like, they try to do the right thing by paying tickets and then they get to Secretary of State and then they find out, well, you're not going to get your license. And a lot of people, quite honestly, just give up at that point, you know. So we've had a lot of success with, you know, developing a relationship personally with the Secretary of State, and then they help us navigate a lot of the matters before people actually have to go to court and stuff like that. So really good program, doing some great things for the city of Detroit and the Detroit metro area, and definitely looking to help more people.
Mr. Dandridge, I just put my phone number in the chat because I do run a nonprofit. We can work with you, so make sure to reach out.
I'm about to do that right now.
I'll put mine in there as well.
Let's see.
So, Mr. Representative Kenny, I said aye. All right.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
All right. All right. If that's nothing further, Mr. Green, you have your date. Best of luck to you and Mr. Dandridge. Thank you very much, and have a very good rest of your day. And that'll conclude the matter.
All right. Thanks, you as well, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Y'all stay safe.
All right. Thank you.
So, here.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Green. All right. Let me get to two people. Marcus Allen Owensby. Are you there? And then LaRue. They came in.
Yes, Your Honor. Marcus Allen Owensby here.
All right, you turn your camera on, sir. City of Detroit versus Marcus Allen Owensby. Case number SP 174611721. Appearance for the record, please. He's on the afternoon docket.
Sheree Harris, on behalf of Mr. Owensby, please state your name.
Marcus Allen Owensby Jr.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Ms. Harris, go speak to him, please. Let's call this pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Matthew Lewis LaRue. Case number SP 174511791. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. LaRue.
Matthew LaRue. All right.
Can I get the spelling of Your Honor, last name?
Larue. He has more cases. All right, let's pass the matter. All right. What about Lance? What about Lance? Are we ready on Lance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Khyree Lance. Giving you an opportunity to try to work this out. What's gonna happen here?
Your Honor, we have made a resolution. The people would allow one ticket to be pled to on failed to display and 2 improper plates. The remaining matters are being dismissed. My client's waiving his rights to ask the court to adopt that.
All right, Mr. Lance, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You put your hand down. Do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
So 2 improper plates and a failure to display, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Lance, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Soroki went over the other advice or rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
Say that again, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Withdraw your back. Oh, that was, you got pulled over. Let me draw your attention back to November the 22nd, 2023 at around 7:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Apollon. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Something, officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
Couldn't do so, could you?
Yes, sir.
Could produce a valid license?
No, I couldn't.
Okay, very well. Why is that?
I was suspended.
All right. The officer asked you to produce valid plates. I mean, was there something wrong with the plates on the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
What was wrong with them?
They was the wrong plate.
Didn't go to that vehicle, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
Couldn't do that either, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I didn't have any.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance as charged to the improper plates for the plate being the wrong plate on the vehicle and failure to display for this for not having a valid driver's license with stipulation of probable cause to dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. You already owe $240. You never paid it.
You said I owe $240?
Yeah, you never paid it on an old ticket.
When?
When back in
I had came down there and paid all the tickets, and then I had try to come after the end of the last court day when I came down there and paid $45, but they said it wasn't in the system yet.
You didn't have to pay $45.
You said so I can get my license back.
A failure to obtain a light, the fraud, I don't know. Yeah, it says here you owe $240 on an improper plate. I don't see that you've ever paid it. You pled guilty to that ticket. No, I'm sorry, that's 2. 1, 2, 4, 7, 2, 6, 5, 1, 5. You don't. All right. This should be dismissed. Mr. Perkins. It doesn't say you pled. SP 124 72651. I'm checking, it doesn't have any notes. It says remove, improper, please remove, disposition remove.
Oh, because, when you said, I took it off because it was supposed to be scheduled before today. Yeah, that's why I can take that out. So.
All right, very good. So dismiss all the matters, waive the warrant fee, 240, 240, and 240. When can you pay, sir?
By the end of August.
End of August?
Yeah.
No. You gonna pay it before then, or you gonna get into a payment plan? I'll give you 30 days.
I'm saying it'll be paid by 30 days.
Oh, end of August.
Yes.
All right, so it's September. Okay, I'm thinking, come back on September 2nd, 2025 at 8:30.
Okay.
At 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Your Honor, just for the record, Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I want to make sure that the dismissals are put down as a dismissal per plea. All of the officers appeared other than Officer Joel Ochoa, who is on the sick list for today.
Okay, yes, they're all just dismissed, yeah, perfect. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Your Honor. Let's go back on the record with Owens, our Officer Mullins and all the other officers. Be safe out there, you're free to leave.
This is Officer Mullen. I was also here for Antonio Oliver.
Yeah, he pled.
He pled?
Yes.
Okay.
I marked you as here.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Owensby. Owensby, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you kind want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a pretrial date.
Pretrial is going to be, what are the new pretrial dates for this happening? August 22nd, 2025 at 8:30. Okay, Mr. Owensby, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Now, will this be Zoom or in person?
It's like Burger King. You have it your way, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
Best of luck to you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor, he would like to be served. He would like to serve the 93 days and be closed out.
All right. I'm going to sentence Mr. Ganesh to 93 days in Wayne County Jail. I wish you the best of luck, sir. I hope that get over those issues that you have, but I don't think without any really professional help that I don't know. I hope that you can do it, but I know it's going to be super difficult, but it's going to be extra difficult without any professional help. That'll be 93 days. We'll give him credit for the time, whatever time served he has. I have not calculated. Have you calculated those 45 days?
Yes, Your Honor, from June 17.
Pardon me?
From June 17, it should be 45 days, including today. I'm sorry, 44, including today.
Days served. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you, Mr. Gaines.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jen.
Bye-bye.
Stay out your business.
All right, I'm done. That's gonna conclude the morning, finally. Oh. I will turn off.
It's the iPhone person for PM?
That's for PM. He didn't ever respond. LaRue, just get him up. He's on the PM docket. Turn off.